Hi, my name is Somdatta and I joined the Diploma in Patisserie course here. Prior to joining this institute, I have been baking for my friends and family at home during holidays and festivities. However, I wanted to learn more about the nuances of French patisserie, which is the reason why I had enrolled into this institute. And BCA has kind of exceeded my expectations in that regard. It has not only taught me the different modules, the intricacies of French patisserie, like now I know like the different things around cookies, gâteaux, hot desserts, bread, etc., which I didn't know was possible or we could do with so much of ease at home also. And one of the most important things that I liked about the institute was the environment, which was very, very friendly. Like the chefs were very approachable. People from across the country, across the different age group have joined here. And there was a very good exchange of ideas, culture, which has also broadened my horizon with respect to the possibilities that is there in this field. The institute has also trained me as to how more professional we could be and what are the options available in the